to make chocolate crackles. My brother Virat is gonna help me, and my name is Vilas. You need some ingredients. You need 4 cups of rice bubbles, 1 cup of coconut powder, and 4 tablespoons of chocolate powder, and cup of icing sugar. And melt the coffee. Very simple method to make chocolate crackers. I learned it from school. First, you pour the rice bubbles.
4 cups.
That's the whole thing. Pour the whole thing.
Now?
And next, you need the coconut powder.
Oh yeah, pour the entire thing in.
Yes. And next, you need the chocolate powder. And next, you need the icing sugar.
Icing sugar.
And now, we have to mix it.
Okay, now we need the butter. Melted butter, kufa. Okay.
Hurry. Pour it in.
Okay, take it.
Now mix it.
Melt.
We are nearly done mixing, so next we have to keep it in the putty pans.
Now we're done.
Putty
pans. Let's go. Be careful. Always when you're doing it, trying to make it out. Next one.
They are finished now. Now we have to keep them in the fridge for 20 minutes. I'll let you know how they turn out to look like when they're finished. My chocolate crackers are ready now. This is how hard they are.
If they're solid, they're ready. If they're still like squishy, not ready yet.
And now my brother will taste them.